Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are going to do an interaction design project interview for you guys. So I will ask 10 questions. Based on the question, you guys need to understand the questions and evaluate and give answers based on what are the obstacles you are facing by using a particular e-commerce web. Okay, let's go to the question. First, we start with anyone can start. Okay, first we start with anyone. It doesn't matter. So I ask the first question right now. Okay, let's go. So first question is introduction. So in this question, I'm going to ask about, could you share a bit about your life? Okay, about life. Okay, let's go. Could you share a bit about your life and how often you interact with mobile apps? Anyone?
Uh, I don't
Yes, I can.
interact with mobile apps a lot. Most of the time, I just use it for calls and text. But I do use e-commerce sometimes to find items that is hard to buy.
Oh, okay. Understand? Anything? Anyone?
I only use my phones for basic things only, like taking photos, texting messages. I will never really explore the apps because they seems complicated.
Oh, okay. So anyone else? So, Udish, Muhaimin, you guys, you guys
I'm
have
a bit
any?
different. I use my phone to check the weather and read news articles. However, I'm not very tech savvy, so I stick to simple apps only.
Oh, okay. So let's go to, can you, okay? Everyone okay? So can I go to the second question?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So the second question is experience with the mobile app. So what the experience you guys going through by using the e-commerce app? So the question is, which e-commerce app you guys are currently using, and what is your experience based on them so far?
I'm currently using Shopee,
Okay,
but the experience would be disorienting, I guess. There's a lot of pop-ups when you open the app, and sometimes
okay,
when you try to click a button, you can misclick other buttons. For example, search. When trying to tap the search bar, you could misclick the banner that is under it. And I guess misclicking is a big problem. The other would be understanding the coupons that is applicable, as sometimes they don't really tell you what is coupon that can be used for each product. You really have to go check out page to see what coupons that you could use. And I guess that's it for.
oh, okay, thank you, Hakim. So Muhaimin, do you have anything? This one particularly about e-commerce. So what are the
Um,
experience? Yes.
I'm always use the Lazada apps to find something that I want to buy. But when I want to buy something, I click on another thing, not the thing I want to buy. And the button to add to cart or to buy was very small.
Oh, okay. Anyone else? Okay, let's go to the third question. Okay, for the third question, so the challenges you guys are facing by using the app. So the question is, what are some of the difficulties you encounter by using the e-commerce website? Oh, sorry, e-commerce website or the application itself?
I guess the difficulty would be reading some text, as there are some small text and maybe a lot of paid information at one page. Like there's a lot of choices that you could pick, and misclicking. I guess misclicking is the main problem. Yes.
Oh, okay. So anyone else? Come again?
Sometimes the apps freeze or crashes, and I don't know how to fix it. That's all.
Oh, okay. So anyone else? Muhammad? Udish?
Um, I was very rabun card, so the text was very small lah, so cannot see the button, the text.
Oh, so you are short-sighted, so it's hard for you to see the taxes. Okay.
Yeah.
So anyone else? Udish?
I'm also facing the same problems where I could not read the small text.
Okay, understand. Okay, let's go to the fourth question. So the fourth question asks about the navigation and the layout. So the question is, how do you guys feel about the way most of the app are designed? Do you find it easy locate what you need? This is for the e-commerce website. So okay, to simplify the question, okay, it's about what are the design and design flaws about the e-commerce website you are facing? For example, like Shopee, Lazada, Amazon. What is the design flaws and how we can solve?
I would say too cluttered. They're trying to push too much information at once, like the banners at the homepage. A lot of banners that slide that could be disorienting, and a lot of choices like choosing to go to tick vouchers that you have, and then maybe go to cart. But most of those things are put in one page that could be overwhelming. Overwhelming is the word.
Overwhelming. Okay. For this, what are the design flaws?
I like the apps that have a back button, so I can easily go back if I make a mistake or anything.
Oh, okay. So easy for you. Okay. For others?
It's hard to find what I'm looking for. Sometimes I wish app had a search bar at the top.
Oh, so it could be, if it is quite bigger, it will be easier for you guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the fifth question. So this is question about voice assistants. How would you guys feel about the e-commerce website or application that allows you to speak comments instead of tapping buttons? Okay, so it's like if you guys have a voice command, for example, taking your mobile phone and giving orders in your phone by speaking it to it rather than typing. Is it do you guys value that? Do you guys want that in this application?
Yeah, it sounds helpful, but I hope that thing can understand my voice clearly.
So anyone else? You guys wanted to have that kind of service in the application so that easy for you guys?
Yes.
Yes, I would love that. My
Oh.
hands sometimes shake, so tapping button is hard for me.
Oh, okay, thank you. So this is the eighth question. So the eighth question is about features and elderly users. This one particularly for you guys. So the question is, if you were design an app specifically for older adults, so you guys, what features you would include to make it more easier and user friendly? So for you guys, what are the features that you guys personally wanted this application to have? So easy for you guys as well as other elderly adults to while they are consuming the particular website or the application e-commerce.
I would say voice assistant like Siri or something like that could help find a specific functions. A bigger buttons will also help. Clearer and simple labels. I think those things.
Okay. Thank you very much. Anyone else?
I didn't add a voice assistant and make sure the app works well with
Okay.
screen readers.
Screen readers. Oh, okay. Nice point. Okay, for others? Udish? Anyone?
I will love if it can include reminder features for things like taking medicine or paying bills that remind me to do it.
Oh, okay. So for example, like if the e-commerce website have a reminder for you, so easy for you when you purchase something on the thing, right? Or when you're buying medicines. Okay, nice. So let's go to the ninth question. So which is trust and security. This is one of the most important when designing a website. Okay, the question is, how comfortable are you guys with sharing personal information like your addresses or payment details to an app?
Not really comfortable as nowadays there's a lot of news that's about leaks of personal information.
Okay, personal information leaking, online theft, right?
I normally don't like to sharing personal details with
Okay.
third persons unless it's absolutely necessary.
Oh, okay. Anyone else?
I will feel more comfortable to share my personal information in the app if the app explain how my information is protected.
Oh, okay. So you would share the information if the app protected your personal information. So, okay. 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 So final question, guys. So the 10th question, which is your final thoughts. Okay. So the final thoughts for the question is there anything you would like to share about your experience with mobile apps or any suggestion for improving them for the older users? So this is similar like the previous question that we asked, but this is more to open. Like any final thoughts, anything you want to share, your experience, like whatever, just open. Uh, make a summary, like what is more important for you guys, or something like that.
I know this app was designed by young people, the current generation. But I hope they understand what our older people in mind. So we need a simple but a clear design for us.
Okay. The simpler and clear design for suiting you guys. Okay. So anyone else wanna give any experiences, final thoughts, summarize our interview session?
Uh, I love to see more apps that help with daily tasks like remaining for appointments, meditations, like
Hmm.
that.
Oh, okay.
I would
Yes, okay.
I would love a help button. Some apps does have that button, right? But I would love to have more information in that instance. Sometimes when I'm trying to solve a specific problem, I can't find the solution even through that help button. Maybe make the help button open source where others could upload their own experience, and I think that would be helpful as some problems that I face is very specific and I can't find a solution even with the help button.
Oh, okay. Okay, so any other questions? Sorry, any other answers? So I hope that's it for now. So thank you very much for your for giving your time to attending this interview session, and thank you once more to give precise answers based on my interview question without any hesitation. So thank you. See you later.
Thank you,
All right.
Gillian.